So first, welcome to Sky Crypto channel. In this video, I will share you top 3 best meme coin that can be the next listing for Binance Exchange here. Okay, friends, as already here you can see Pepe coin is listed on Binance Exchange, Shiba Inu is listed, Doge with hat is listed, Book of Meme has listed, Dogecoin is listed, Flokinu is listed on Binance Exchange. But these three meme coins that I'm sharing today in this video with you has really potential to be the next listing for Binance Exchange here. Okay, so video is going to be very special, very important. You have to just for the computer. Make sure to like video and subscribe the channel. So friends, our first meme coin that is high chances to list it on Binance Exchange is Bread coin. I will also share you the reason why Bread can be listed on Binance Exchange next, because you can see $0.12 current price, a drop by almost 7% last 24 hours. Okay, first reason is that it's market cap. Okay friends, so you can see $1.1 billion market cap. Okay, $1.1 billion market cap meme coin. Okay, and the first and most famous meme coin on best chain. So that's why these two narratives are the best narrative for Bread coin. That's why Bread can be the next listing for Binance Exchange in meme coin category, and Bread has really potential. I think that we can see is Binance Exchange listing within 2 months here. Okay, when crypto market will be recovered here, when BTC will make a new all-time high, okay, break $74,000, then definitely we can see Bread coin listing on Binance Exchange. Okay, mark my word, we can see soon Bread coin listing on Binance Exchange. Last 24-hour trading volume is $98.3 million. Okay, trading volume is good. Coin is working best chain, so that's awesome. Already listed on KuCoin exchange. Okay, KuCoin I think listed just a month ago. Okay, you can see Gadget.io is listed too many satellite exchanges. It's already listed this coin. So I think Bread can be the next listing for Binance Exchange here. First, second meme coin that is high chances to get listed on Binance Exchange is Moog coin. Okay, just 2 days ago, Moog was listed on KuCoin exchange. Okay, before that, this meme coin was only listed on few like exchanges. Okay, just like MEXC, Catch.io. But just 2 days ago, this meme coin was listed on KuCoin exchange. Okay, I can see coin has currently 5 zeros in its price, pumped by almost 15% last 24 hours. That's awesome. At first, I can see market cap is $542 million. Okay, $542 million market cap meme coin. So that's amazing. $51.8 million trading volume in last 24 hours. So that's amazing. Market cap is awesome. Trading volume is good. Coin is working on Ethereum chain. That's good. And I can see no, 33, okay, 33,000% up in its all time low. Coin has already killed 3 zeros since its launching. So friends, these are something that are very unique about this Mo coin has already killed 3 zeros, and still bull run is not started yet. So friends, these are the reasons that's why Mo coin can be the next listing for Binance exchange, because of awesome market cap. Okay, good trading volume in last 24 hours. Coin has already killed 3 zeros since its launching, so that's amazing. Already listed on KuCoin exchanges. I told you recently listed. Okay, Bybit has listed, Gadget.io, BingX, too many centralized exchanges has also listed Mocoin. So I think maybe in coming 4 or maybe 6 months we can see Mocoin listing on Binance Exchange. So friends, number third meme coin that is high chances to get listed on Binance Exchange is Maro coin. Okay, you can see Solana founder stock meme coin. Okay, you can see $0.09 current price, and its market cap is $96 million. Okay, if you compare its market cap with Bread and Mock, so its market cap is very low, but this meme coin has massive hype in crypto market in Solana blockchain meme coin. So that's why this meme coin can also be the next listing for Binance exchange. Last 24-hour trading volume is $29 million. That's awesome. Okay, 1 billion coin supply. Okay, almost in circulation. That's awesome. Coin is working on Solana chain. As I already told you, this is a dog theme meme coin on Solana chain. Almost 4,000% up in its all-time low. Coin has already killed 10 and 78% down in its all-time high. That was 4 months ago. Coin is already listed on Gate.io, Bybit, KuCoin exchange. I'm also holding this meme coin. Bioeconomy has listed, and too many other central exchanges has also listed Myro coin, and Myro can be the next listing for Binance exchange also. Okay friends, so these are the top 3 best meme coin that I'm personally very bullish on these meme coin, and I think maybe we can see their Binance exchange listing this year. Okay, Braid will be listed in the coming 2 months. More will be listed in coming 4 months, and Myro can be listed in coming 8 months in Binance exchange. Okay, what do you think? Are there other meme coins that will list before these three meme coins? You can must comment down below.